Celergen is good. My knee pain gone for many years. See specialist, but no use. After 1 month, my knee problem gone. And I was wearing spec now. I don't wear spec. And every few days, my regular golfer, say my hair grow, turn black and more hair. So keep taking Celergen. You can't go wrong. Thank you.
Alan,
What about this friend of yours?
he doesn't have to wear spec anymore. 300 degrees, he can see very clearly without spec now. Then his hair has grown more, and then black also. He got black hair. And before that, he got 2 knees very painful. Just walk, cannot play golf. After 3 weeks of taking Celergen, his both knees no more pain. Can play very good golf.
So now both of you play golf on what, every day?
Monday to Friday, 18 holes. Don't feel tired.
I experienced the first day after taking 2 soft gel, my back pain is gone. Right now I enjoy golf with him, hit longer and no tired.
After 11 days?
After 11.
No kidding.
No kidding.
You are responsible for that.